myths about ABA. So it's a very common myth that ABA is a behavior therapy and only problem behavior kids should be sent for ABA. Absolutely wrong. ABA is a reinforcement or a motivation based therapy. Reinforcements used after a skill teaching increases the skill, and not giving reinforcement after the behavior reduces the behaviors. So ABA helps in both, in teaching skills as well as in reducing behaviors. What all skills ABA can teach? Everything that is a social skill, language skills, cognitive skills, academic skills, along with reduction in problem behaviors. So, skill teaching as well as behavior reductions can be done with ABA. Second very common myth with ABA is that ABA is not supposed to be given in a child who is very young, or a child who is of 2 years of age or 3 years of age. It is not supposed to be given. Absolutely wrong. ABA is a motivation based therapy. That means the child is not made to sit compulsorily at one place in an ABA. If you are seeing that a small child, 2 years old child or 3 years old child, is made to sit like holding a hand and tightly holding the child and made to sit at one particular place, and the therapist is stating that he is an ABA therapist, it's wrong. He is not a trained ABA therapist. ABA works on the motivation of the child. Till the child is not able to sit at one place, yes, we do develop an instructional control. We do train the child to sit at one place, but not by force, by using reinforcements at a right time. So, ABA can be given, ideally ABA is supposed to be given to a very young age child as well, because there is no forceful or it's not an intrusive technique. Other therapies, lot of therapies are intrusive, so it becomes difficult for the child to bear it, because you are holding the child, you are dealing with the child in a very harsh way, which is not the thing you do in ABA. If a ABA therapist is doing that, you need to complain. You are not, that is not the right therapy that the person is doing.